Recycling is always a good idea, and Tricia's in the process of recycling a few plant containers.
I am, Danny. We frugal gardeners like to recycle our pots. It's always a good idea to clean them out and to get them ready for the next planting.
Now that I don't really understand. You're going to be throwing dirt right back in, so why the need to clean it so well?
Well, it's a very good question because there are certain kinds of funguses that can transfer in the soil from an old plant to a new plant. So what you want to do is start by brushing out the inside of the container, and then after that you want to wash it out, probably with a strong hose blast, and then wipe it out.
Okay, and I mean, even to the point where you're actually wiping it even more than you have now.
Well, this may surprise you, but that isn't even enough. You really want to sanitize the container. So what you want to do is do a 9-to-1 water to bleach solution.
I see.
And after you mix that, you want to wipe the inside of the container thoroughly, all of the edges, everywhere, to sanitize it.
So you should really never use then the old soil or anything from a plant that's died.
No, well, even if it hasn't died, even if it's still healthy, you do not want to transfer that new soil to a new pot. Make sure the pot is totally dry before putting in the new soil.
Okay, well, let's dry it out and I'll help you out here.